guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I created a very fun and springy look. Today I actually tapped into the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner and I used that to create a cobalt blue winged look. It is actually daylight saving, so we are springing forward into spring, so I thought it couldn't be any more appropriate than to do a fun glowy. We got the braid, we're glowing to the gods, we've got spring colors look. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then you are in the right place at the right time. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. So first I'm going to prime, and today I'm going in with the Farsali Unicorn Essence Primer Drops. I'm actually filming this video on daylight savings, so I've got a little bit of spring on my mind, hence the tank top dress, the braid, and we're gonna do a really fun and easy look today. So I'm gonna be mixing two foundations together, the first being the CoverGirl Clean Matte BB Cream for Oily Skin in 510 Fair, and the Body Shop Matte Clay Skin Clarifying Foundation in Peruvian Lily. I'm just gonna blend that out with a dampened beauty blender. And for concealer today, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm in the color Light. And to set that concealer, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Then to set the rest of my face, I'm going in with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Long Lasting Pressed Powder. I used to love this powder. I haven't really played around with it too much, so I'm going to try it today. And I'm in the color 12 Buff Beige, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my dampened beauty blender and I'm going to rub it into the powder. You'll see it picks up the powder almost like we're going to bake, and I'm essentially going to bake my whole face with the powder. Now, I'm looking really pasty and really white, and I know that, but we are going to bronze everything up. I'm very matte right now too, which if you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I have oily combination skin, mostly oily in my T-zone area. So I really like a matte look because I'm going to produce oil throughout the day. So we're very matte right now, but we're gonna bronze up and make it look better. So I'm gonna be going in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow contour kit, and this is the color Dulce de Leche, but I'm gonna go in with this really nice contour shade, and if you're new to contouring, this is a really cheap contour kit that's very easy to work with, so I would highly recommend that. I'm gonna go in with an angled blush brush, and I'm gonna gently tap into that color, and I'm tapping off the excess because it's a very dark bronzy color, and I'm gonna just bronze up the outsides of my face. And now that that's on. I did that pretty messily, and that's okay. I'm going to go back into the Beauty Blender, and I'm going to use the lighter color in the palette, which I've hit a lot of pan on. I'm going to use that and just the very tip of the Beauty Blender, and I'm going to carve up that contour a little bit. So while we're carving out sort of the edges of the contour, I'm going to go in and I'm going to put my eyebrows on, and I'm going to do this off camera. You've seen me do my brows a couple of times in my videos. I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and I'm in the color Soft Brown, and I'm going to set it with some hairspray and a spoolie. So I'll be RB. Alrighty, the eyebrows are really janky, and that's because I haven't plucked or trimmed them in probably a month and a half. I did wipe away sort of where the bake was to clean up the bronzer. So I'm going to put on some blush, and I also wiped off the concealer off my lips. But I want to put on some blush. Today I'm going in with the Lancome Sheer Amarose blush. It's a really pretty matte blush. I use it in every video because it is the only blush that I own that I like. Alrighty, we are rosy as ever. And now I'm going to jump in and I'm going to do the eyes. Today I wanted to do a really simple eye look, really springing it forward, something really easy and simple. And I want to use the Cobalt Blue liquid eyeliner. I did a look like this on my Instagram if you follow me a while ago. So I want to do that with this NYX liquid eyeliner. So something really simple on the eyes. Today I'm going to be going in with the Tarte Make Believe in Yourself palette. I'm going to be using 2 colors from here. So I'm going to go into the color Myth, which is this really nice matte shade. And I'm going to apply that all over the lid, focusing it in the crease. To deepen up the look a little bit, I'm going to go back into this bronzer. You can use any bronzer, the bronzer that you used on your face, whatever. I'm going to tap into this same brush, and I'm going to apply that and focus it really in the crease and on the outer V. I'm going to go into the color Crystal, and I'm going to apply that all over the lid, and I'm going to use my middle finger to do so. I'm going to go back into that first color that we used, Myth, and I'm going to just blend everything together. So really simple eye look for sure. I'm going to go into this is the ColourPop Super Shock highlighter in the color Flexitarian. I'm going to use that to highlight the upper brow bone and the inner corner. And on a small pencil brush, I'm going to go back into that first color that we used, Myth, and I'm going to smoke that on the lower lash line. I'm also going to go into that bronzer and use that to smoke it out. And before we apply the liquid eyeliner, I am going to tight line with the same Cobalt Blue color. This is the Marc Jacobs Highliner Matte Gel Eye Crayon, and this is in the color Out of the Blue. So now that that's on there, we are ready to do the wing with this. This is the NYX Vivid Brights in Vivid Sapphire. Hopefully I don't ruin the look and mess up the eyeliner. That would suck. So pray for me. So we're gonna just do a winged eyeliner with this, and I'm gonna do a pretty dramatic wing. So I'm going to quickly go in and coat my upper lashes, and I'm going to be using the Clinique's High Lengths Mascara. I zoomed you guys back out. The mascara was a little bit of a struggle because I had some leftover like blue clunkies in my eyelashes, so I ended up having to redo this eye a couple of times. It's fine. So I'm gonna go in and highlight my face, and today I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora palette, and today I'm gonna be going into the color Eclipse, which is a really nice orangey color. And to highlight, I'm just going in, this is a Real Techniques brush. This is a contour brush, but I'm actually gonna use it as like a tapered highlighting brush. And then for lips, I'm gonna be going in with sort of my favorite duo right now. This is the ColourPop Ultra Satin Liquid Lip in Aquarius Satin, and I'm going to top it with the Steve Laurent Cafe Lip Gloss. They're pretty much the same color, and I'm just looking for a glossy look for this. And I actually think I used this exact same lip combo in another video that it might already be posted, but that's okay. Then to finish everything together, I'm going to be going in with the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. This is the Marine Boosting Mist, and this is really going to just glow everything up for me. And this stuff smells like a citrusy dream. I love it. So springy. So that completes this look. I hope you guys liked this video. Again, if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time with another new video.